My daughter and I have just opened up a shop on Etsy. It's called Print and Pixel Studio. And this is one of the kits from that, one of the digital download kits from that shop. This was inspired by the fact that when we were a young family, when I was a young homemaker and my daughter was small, we used to make all of our gifts for friends and family at Christmas time. And so that's what inspired this little journal. The thought behind it was we wanted to put something together that was simple to put together, but a lot of fun, and the kids could participate in it, as well as adults. It makes a cute gift for adults to give too, but we were kind of thinking of something to do with the family. All of the pieces are designed to be relatively simple to cut out with a pair of scissors. So you don't need any fancy crafting equipment or anything like that to put this journal together. This was our first inspiration for it, and you can see it's actually made from a paper bag, and you just fold it over. This becomes a little pocket. You glue it at either end, and this is just masking tape that we use to cover the spine. So it's very simple to do, and it's made with things that most everybody has around the house. On the cover, we used masking tape again for the spine, but this time we inked it to give it more of a cohesive color with the paper bag. But I also like it with the actual masking tape color. I think it's kind of cute. The way that the journal is held together is an idea that I saw on a video Heather did on Ruby and Pearl XO is her YouTube site. And she just used a paper punch, and you just measure up, depending on the size of your journal, measure up so far. I did 1 inch on either side, ran the jute string through it, and then tied it here, and it holds the whole journal together. And it's nice and tight, very simple to do. And again, you don't need to sew anything or, have any kind of special equipment. When we were making it, we thought, gosh, it'd be really nice if we had some kind of a ruffle, a ribbon ruffle for it. But we didn't have really any ribbon or anything at the time. And so when I was making coffee and I picked up the coffee filter, I thought, hey, wait a minute, here's the ruffle that we need. And that's what it is. It's an unbleached coffee filter, and it makes a perfect ruffle. We used it again in here just for detail on this piece. And here's the pocket I was talking about, where you just fold that over and glue either end, and it becomes a pocket. And these are little ATC cards that we have in the kit. Like I say, easy to cut out, and you can back them with our coordinated papers that we have. You can either print them on the back, or you can cut them out and glue them on. And it leaves the space for you to write a note to who is ever going to receive the gift. We left, in ours anyway, we left the pages pretty much blank, because a lot of families like to write a yearly newsletter at Christmas time to their friends and family and let them know what they've been up to during the year. And so we didn't want to cover the pages with any permanent designs or anything for that purpose. The trim on this page is washi tape that we made. And you just take double-sided tape, and this is in the kit too, this design, and you just print it out on kids' tracing paper. The kids' tracing paper is the best to use. It really prints really nicely. You get a nice clear design, much better than the expensive art tracing paper that you find in the art stores. And then you just put it on the double-sided tape, peel this piece off, and you have your own washi tape. It's very easy to do. This little package we put in, we used paper clips to hold everything in so that you could remove them if you wanted to. This is a little bag that we found at Michael's. We just glued one of our cards on the front for decoration. And then these little frames are in the kit, and they come in a format, PNG format, where the area where you see the picture is transparent. If you don't have a Photoshop or program that can do that for you, you can also just cut it out with scissors or a little craft knife. But anyway, these are pictures of our grandkids, and we think they're pretty darn cute. Madison with her best buddy. So you can add all kinds of personalization to this. This is a little bag that's printed on that kids tracing paper like I was talking about before. And it's a neat little thing because it's the perfect size to hold a gift card, or you could stick some little candies in there, little note, whatever you like. And here it is, if you don't have the tracing paper, here it is printed out on regular cardstock, and it makes just as cute of a little bag, and it's very easy to put together. It comes just like this, exactly like you see here, so all you have to do is fold it over, glue the bottom on one side, and you're good to go. Tried to make it as simple as possible so that anybody, you know, any little person could do it, or adult, either one. And this is another piece that's in the kit. Just turned it into a pocket here. Again, some of our ephemera that you can use. And this makes, these little tickets are really cute, and they make really neat gift tags, is the word I'm trying to say here. These are from a different set that we're going to show you in a different video, but here we've used the tickets and we've turned them into gift tags, and they're really cute. If I could poke a hole in evenly, it'd be cuter, but I'm really bad at that. But anyway, they make cute gift tags. And a little envelope with a couple more pieces of ephemera that you could write a little note on, or let whoever's going to receive the gift write a note. And here in the back is a very large pocket. You could put a gift in there, you know, whatever you wanted to do. But we've filled it with some of our ephemera, and this allows the person who receives it to have a lot of fun decorating the journal themselves, or use the tag, or use the cards for tags, or whatever they like. We also have matching, or coordinating, I should say, papers in this kit that you can use for backing or for any other detail that you might want to use to decorate your journal. This one actually could be sent as a postcard with the right stamp. And here again, we've got little tickets. And this little tag is made using these. My husband had them had some keys on some of them, and I snagged a few of them to make this. Just inked it up and then cut a piece of one of the pieces that comes from the kit, just cut it out and put it inside for a little decoration, and inked the back. We use this Ranger's Distress Oxide ink, and it's in the vintage photo. It's a great color. It goes with everything, and it really adds a lot of detail to your cards. And on the back, we have another journal card. There he is. Another journal card that you could write on. And just a little gingerbread boy. Get back in there. There he goes. And just a little gingerbread boy for fun and detail. So that's the whole little journal. Like I say, it's very easy to make, a lot of fun to make, and it'd be a lot of fun to receive as a gift. So I hope you guys will stop by our shop and check us out. It's Print and Pixel Studio on Etsy, and we'll have a lot of new things coming in weekly. So we'll see you there.